Fatal accidents on work sites have been increasing. How can we reduce fatalities in hazardous work environments? We invented technology that can take on dangerous tasks in the field, introducing navigatex, an autonomous quadruped robot platform designed for continuous 24/7 inspection operations in any environment. Leveraging cloud-based digital twin technology, our quadruped robot autonomously and safely navigates work sites, capturing every detail with a 360-degree camera. AI monitoring capabilities enable the identification of maintenance issues and potential hazards. As a result, humans no longer need to enter dangerous spaces, and the effectiveness of maintenance is greatly improved, transforming it from reactive to proactive. navigatex integrates LiDAR, IMU, and an onboard computer to generate high-precision point cloud maps in real time. This enables robots to autonomously navigate complex indoor and outdoor environments without GPS, ensuring safe and reliable operations. Using its 360-degree camera, navigatex captures high-resolution images and links them directly to BIM drawings, creating a dynamic digital twin of work sites. This gives managers clear, real-time visibility of evolving conditions and progress, reducing the need for manual supervision and enabling faster, safer, and better-informed decisions. AI-powered punch list inspection. navigatex applies advanced AI algorithms to analyze 360-degree images from multiple angles, front, top, left, and right. It automatically detects punch list issues such as defects, misalignments, or potential hazards. This saves workers from repetitive, time-consuming inspections, reduces human error, and allows humans to focus on higher-value tasks under safer conditions. The navigatex robot performs the most hazardous tasks on construction and other industrial sites. Thanks to navigatex, users can now conduct 24/7 inspection and monitoring operations without exposing personnel to unnecessary risk. We make safety the default, making job sites safer and more sustainable.